Good day viewers, let's discuss how to stage your home for a quick sale today. Planning to sell your home? Proper staging can make all the difference in attracting potential buyers and securing a quick sale. In this video, we'll share expert tips and tricks to help you stage your home effectively, from decluttering and depersonalizing to enhancing curb appeal, and creating inviting spaces that leave a lasting impression. 1. Declutter and depersonalize. The first step in home staging is decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Remove excess furniture, personal items, and clutter to create an open and inviting atmosphere that allows buyers to envision themselves living in the space. 2. Deep clean and repair. A clean and well-maintained home is essential for making a positive impression on buyers. Invest time in deep cleaning your home, paying attention to details like baseboards, windows, and carpets. Additionally, address any minor repairs or maintenance issues to ensure your home is in top condition. 3. Enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter, so don't overlook the importance of curb appeal. Spruce up your exterior by mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, planting flowers, and adding welcoming touches like a fresh coat of paint on the front door or stylish outdoor furniture. 4. Focus on neutral decor. Neutral decor appeals to a wide range of buyers and allows them to envision their style in the space. Opt for neutral paint colors, bedding, and decor accessories to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere that appeals to a broad audience. 5. Maximize natural light. Natural light can make your home feel brighter, more spacious, and inviting. Open blinds and curtains to let in natural light, clean windows to ensure they sparkle, and consider adding mirrors to reflect light and enhance the sense of space. 6. Create inviting spaces. Highlight the best features of your home by creating inviting and functional spaces. Arrange furniture to maximize flow and showcase focal points like fireplaces or scenic views. Add cozy touches like throw pillows, blankets, and fresh flowers to create a warm and welcoming ambience. 7. Add finishing touches. Finally, add finishing touches to elevate the overall look and feel of your home. Consider adding pops of color with accessories like artwork, rugs, and accent pillows. Fresh flowers, scented candles, and strategically placed decor can also create a memorable and inviting atmosphere for buyers. Conclusion. By following these expert tips and tricks, you'll create a welcoming and inviting space that resonates with potential buyers and sets the stage for a successful sale. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable real estate tips and resources.